Your entryway is the first impression your home makes, so why not make it moody, dramatic, and unforgettable? Whether you're working with a grand foyer or a tiny hallway, the right paint color can instantly set the tone for your entire space. And today, I'm showing you the 10 best dark and moody paint colors that will transform your entryway from meh to magazine-worthy. We're talking timeless shades, colors that never go out of style, and I'll show you what each one is best for, what to pair it with, and how to use it like a pro. If you love rich, elegant colors and cozy dark vibes, hit that subscribe button now, because this channel is all about creating bold, beautiful spaces with personality. And don't go anywhere, because color number 7 is my secret weapon for making even the smallest entryways feel like luxury. Let's kick things off with the boldest choice of all, black ink, a rich, ultra-dark shade that's deeper than basic black and full of quiet intensity. This isn't your everyday black, it has subtle undertones of blue and gray that give it dimension, depth, and just the right amount of moodiness. It's the kind of color that makes a room feel expensive and intentional, even if you didn't spend a lot. Black ink is perfect for statement walls, trim, cabinetry, or even full rooms if you're feeling brave. It adds instant drama without feeling flat, and it pairs especially well with high-contrast elements like bright whites, light wood, or gleaming metals. It's a go-to for modern, gothic, industrial, or minimalist spaces that want a punch of bold elegance. This shade really shines when layered with textures, think matte finishes, soft velvet, glossy tile, or raw stone. And if you've never tried a black bathroom or black bedroom before, this is the one that might finally convert you. Black ink doesn't shout, it smolders. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it's one of the most timeless dark colors you can bring into your home. Coming in strong is teal, the perfect marriage between green and blue, with just enough depth to earn its place in the Moody Color Hall of Fame. Teal has a way of feeling both energetic and grounded, which makes it a powerful choice when you want to add personality without sacrificing sophistication. This color works wonders in eclectic or vintage-inspired spaces, but it can also look incredible in modern homes when paired with the right textures. It's especially great in living rooms, bathrooms, or anywhere you want a color that makes people stop and say, "Whoa, what color is that?" Teal plays well with warm metallics like copper or antique brass, and it absolutely sings when layered with deep wood tones, burnt orange, or rich neutrals like ivory and chocolate brown. It can even elevate a space when used on kitchen cabinets or a moody front door. Teal is one of those shades that surprises people. It's bold but comforting, edgy but classic. Next up is charcoal, the dark neutral that never tries too hard, but always delivers. This rich gray has just enough black in it to feel dramatic, but it's more forgiving and flexible than jet black. It's the color equivalent of a tailored blazer, clean, confident, and endlessly stylish. Charcoal is ideal for spaces where you want moody vibes without committing to full-on black. It's perfect for living rooms, bathrooms, or even exteriors where a sleek, modern look is the goal. It also hides imperfections beautifully, making it a smart choice for high-traffic areas. Pair it with crisp white for a high-contrast, modern look, or soften it up with dusty rose, warm beige, or brushed nickel accents. And if you're into texture, charcoal looks amazing on matte walls, stone tiles, or linen upholstery. Charcoal is like the cool older cousin of gray, it's moody, mature, and knows exactly what it's doing. Let me know below, would you use this for walls, furniture, or something bold like a charcoal ceiling? If a color could whisper secrets from an enchanted forest, it would be black forest green. This shade is rich, dark, and velvety, a deep green with black undertones that gives any room an instant air of mystery and sophistication. It's perfect for those of us who love nature-inspired moody vibes but want something a little more unexpected than traditional dark green. Black forest green is amazing in dining rooms, bedrooms, or studies where you want to create a cocoon-like feeling. It's bold without being flashy and feels luxurious in a quiet, confident way. If you want a home that feels like a haunted library or a hidden cabin in the woods, you've found your color. Pair it with aged brass, amber glass, or dark walnut furniture for that perfect gothic forest meets luxury lodge aesthetic. You can also soften it with cream, dusty gold, or light gray textiles to keep it balanced and elegant. This color is giving witchy retreat in the best way, and honestly, I'd paint an entire library in it without thinking twice. Tell me in the comments, does this shade make you want to curl up with a book or cast a spell? Say hello to vintage plum, the kind of color that feels like velvet gloves, antique perfume bottles, and dim candlelight all rolled into one. This deep, muted purple has undertones of brown and gray, which keep it from feeling too bold or theatrical. Instead, it whispers elegance with just the right amount of drama. Vintage plum is perfect for those who want something different, a step away from typical moody hues like navy or black, but still rich, dark, and timeless. It's especially beautiful in bedrooms, powder rooms, or any space where you want a touch of dark romance. This color feels like a secret, it's quiet, luxurious, and a little mysterious. Pair it with antique gold, soft grays, or blush-toned neutrals to bring out its warmth. Or go full gothic glam with black velvet, dark florals, and smoky glass accents. However you style it, this color makes everything feel more intentional. Vintage plum is for those of us who like our moody decor with a side of poetry and drama. Would you go plum on your walls, or maybe even your ceiling? Let me know down below. If this list is giving you all the moody inspiration you need, hit that like button and share your favorite shades so far in the comments. I read every single one. Now this one is for the bold souls who love a warm, rustic vibe with serious depth. Iron oxide is a dark terracotta that leans into burnt clay, rust, and rich desert tones. It's warm without being loud, vintage without feeling outdated, and moody in the most grounded, natural way. Iron oxide is stunning in kitchens, dining areas, or even as a feature wall in a neutral space that needs a little soul. It evokes that old-world, hand-painted pottery feel, and brings an immediate sense of earthiness and artisan charm. It works especially well in homes that blend vintage, boho, or southwestern aesthetics with a modern twist. Pair it with cream, charcoal, or muted sage green for a warm and balanced palette. It also looks amazing with terracotta tile, worn leather, or woven natural fibers like jute and linen. And don't be afraid to use it on furniture, it's gorgeous on an accent cabinet or vintage dresser. Iron oxide is proof that moody colors can be warm too. It's like a cozy fireplace, a desert canyon, and a glass of red wine all wrapped into one paint swatch. Now let's talk about urbane bronze, a color that's all about quiet luxury. This deep, earthy bronze has a rich brown base with just a hint of gray and metallic warmth, making it a perfect balance of natural and modern. It's sophisticated, grounded, and incredibly adaptable. It's no surprise this color was named Color of the Year not long ago. Urbane bronze is ideal for spaces where you want a warm, enveloping feel without going overly dark. It looks stunning on cabinetry, walls, and even doors, especially when paired with layered textures like leather, linen, or stone. It gives any room a rooted, organic feel while still feeling high-end. It pairs beautifully with creamy whites, warm woods, matte black, or even muted greens for a natural, earthy palette. Want to glam it up? Add in brushed gold hardware or a crystal chandelier for contrast and sparkle. Urbane bronze is that color you never knew you needed until you see it in a space, and then you can't stop thinking about it. It's like the interior design version of dark chocolate, rich, indulgent, and oh so satisfying. Let's talk about a shade that feels like a quiet night sky just before the stars come out, Midnight Reverie. This is no ordinary dark blue. It's rich, moody, and calming all at once, like a velvet curtain drawn across the sky. There's a stillness to this color that makes it perfect for spaces where you want to feel grounded and serene. Midnight Reverie is ideal for bedrooms, libraries, or even bathrooms where you want a cozy, intimate mood. It brings a sense of sophistication while still feeling soft and welcoming, not cold or corporate like some blues can. It's timeless, elegant, and pairs beautifully with both traditional and modern styles. For a luxe look, pair it with brushed gold, warm woods, or creamy off-whites. Want to go full drama? Add in black accents, plum textiles, or moody artwork for a layered, high-impact design. Midnight Reverie is that color you use when you want your space to feel like a deep breath. Would you try this on your walls, or maybe even on your ceiling for that cocoon effect? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit like if you're loving these timeless moody tones, and stay with me, because the next shade is a cool neutral that always looks expensive. Next up is Merlot, a deep, wine-inspired red that feels like velvet and candlelight rolled into one. This color oozes warmth, luxury, and just a little bit of mystery. It's perfect for creating moody, intimate spaces like dining rooms, libraries, or even a cozy bedroom retreat. What makes Merlot so special is its ability to feel bold and timeless. Unlike bright reds that can feel aggressive, Merlot is toned down and sophisticated. It adds richness without overwhelming a space, making it ideal for accent walls, velvet furniture, or painted trim details. Pair it with matte black, cream, or brushed gold for a high-end, romantic vibe, or go even moodier by layering it with dark florals, smoky grays, or charcoal upholstery. It's the kind of color that makes you want to pour a glass of red, light a candle, and stay in for the night. If you've ever wanted your home to feel like a moody wine bar or an old-world study, Merlot might just be your new signature color. Lastly, if you want a black adjacent color with a little more intrigue, meet obsidian stone. It's a deep, inky blend of black and soft violet undertones, like crushed velvet in a shadowy room. It's perfect for people who want the drama of black but with just a touch of softness and complexity. This color is stunning in bedrooms, dining rooms, and even bathrooms. It adds instant depth and luxury while feeling just a little more layered than true black. It plays beautifully with candlelight and moody natural light, making your space feel cozy, intimate, and oh so stylish. Pair obsidian stone with antique brass, midnight blue, or faded lavender for a luxe, romantic palette. It also pairs beautifully with matte textures, velvets, or even high-gloss finishes if you want to lean into that dramatic, high-fashion feel. Obsidian stone feels like a Gothic novel in color form. It's mysterious, rich, and just unpredictable enough to keep things interesting. So, which one of these dark and moody entryway colors stole your heart? Was it the velvety plum? The stormy charcoal? Or maybe that deep green that feels like an enchanted forest? Tell me your favorite in the comments. I'm dying to know which one you'd actually paint your walls with. And if you're planning a moody home makeover, don't forget to subscribe. I drop new videos weekly with Gothic DIYs, dark color palettes, and budget-friendly styling tips to help you create your dream home. Before you go, check out the links in the description. You'll find all the paint names, coordinating palettes, and even some of my favorite entryway decor to match each shade. And remember what we said at the beginning, your entryway is your home's first impression, so make it dark, make it bold, and make it beautiful.